Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the E93 M3. Today we're going to be adding a modification to the power steering system. We're going to be placing an overflow tank right over here so that there's no more leaks from the OEM system. There's a little vent hole right over there, and usually when your system boils or overheats, which it tends to do on the track or if you're doing a lot of high-speed racing, the fluid will spill out through this hole and make a huge mess in your engine bay. Sometimes you'll just get seepage, fluid kind of seeping around the reservoir itself, and when that happens it just looks ugly when you're opening the engine bay and this is leaking. So we're going to be using this line here and kind of placing it in like so, push fit, and then this is just regular vacuum or rubber hose that leads to the overflow line over here, and we're going to be using a bolt to thread it in there and hold it in place so we can get an OEM plus look that's going to be nice and clean. I'll link the parts in the description below for what you'll need to do this conversion. It's cheap and easier than buying an upgraded reservoir for your power steering. So I've got it pressed fit on. It's a very tight fit, but you'll know for sure it's not going to blow off at high pressures. I'm going to take my bolts, line it up to this ground over here, this ground bolt. I like the location of it right now. All right, let's make sure we can still open the cap. Yep, we can still open the cap and check the fluid levels. And then just tuck in the excess down below. Make sure you drill a small hole in the reservoir cap so that there is some pressure released from the system. Okay, so this is what the system looks like now. We've got our tubing right here connected to the elbow that's also connected to the OEM cap and the reservoir right here. We've also got the overflow reservoir that's connected over here, and you can check it. If there's any extra fluid that's in here, you can dump it out if you'd like. So this is a quick, cheap mod that you can do to your car to make sure that you don't have any more power steering fluid leaks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.